It's so nice to see you guys today. Pizza, pizza party. Pizza, pizza party. What are you singing there, Elephant? I'm singing pizza party because I want to eat some pizza today. Me too. Oh, wow, guys, that's actually a great idea. Because, my pizza shop is open today. Yay! Are you guys ready to eat some yummy pizza? Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, perfect. Let's tell our friends at home your orders. Before I forget, guys, what would you like to drink? I'll have some orange juice, some strawberry milk. Nothing for me. All right, I think Mr. Mousy loves cheese pizza. Yeah, that's right. And Miss Bunny loves a good veggie pizza. What about you, Elephant? I want an everything pizza. Yeah. Perfect, guys. Come on over to my pizza shop. Let's go. First, we gotta wash our hands. Wash, wash, wash. Nice and clean before we start making the tasty pizza. All done. Now let's head over to our pizza making station. I already started cutting up some of the toppings, but will you guys help me cut up the green pepper right now? Cut, cut, cut. Looks like it's all ready to go. We're definitely gonna need those green peppers for Bunny's pizza. Well, first, I think we're gonna start with Mr. Mouse's pizza. Let's get the dough and roll, roll, roll. Roll it nice and flat. And then we're gonna add some pasta sauce. Splat. Perfect. Mousy is gonna love this. Now for the yummy toppings. Mr. Mouse said he just wanted a cheese pizza. So today we're gonna add some pieces of mozzarella cheese. Delicious. Looks like our pizza's all ready to go. Let's take it to our kitchen and put it in the oven. Yay! First, we have to make sure that the oven is the perfect temperature, and then we're just gonna stick it in and let it cook. Now, moving on to Miss Bunny's pizza. Woohoo! Rolling, rolling, rolling. We're rolling our dough. Rolling, rolling, rolling. And now we're gonna add the pasta sauce. Splat. Miss Bunny said that she wanted a vegetarian pizza. So first I'm gonna add some basil and then some green peppers that we cut up together. Yummy. I think Miss Bunny's gonna love this pizza. All ready to go. Let's put it in the oven. But we can't forget that we still have Mr. Mouse's pizza in there. So I'm just gonna take that out because it looks about ready. Perfect. And we're gonna put it on his plate. Perfect. One slice of pizza ready to go. And now we're gonna cook Miss Bunny's veggie pizza. Yay! Now, on to the third pizza, the everything pizza. Mr. Elephant wanted everything on his pizza. So, let's roll the dough, put the pasta sauce on, and start with some yummy pepperonis, some yummy mushrooms, and some special pineapple just for Elephant. Pizza looks ready to go. gonna stick it in the oven and cook, cook, cook. But let's take out Miss Bunny's pizza. Looks ready to me. Ooh, so nice and crispy. Can you guys smell that tasty, tasty pizza? Close the oven up and put it on a plate for Miss Bunny. Now for the very last pizza, the everything pizza for Elephant. Woohoo! It's going in the oven. The oven is nice and hot. Okay, I think it's ready. That was a quick one. Let's take it out, always using a spatula. Ooh, that looks good. Look at those edges. They look perfect. Close up the oven. And let's head on over to serve our guests. Oh no, I almost forgot. They also wanted drinks. Let me get some strawberry milk for Miss Bunny and some nice orange juice for Mr. Mouse. Perfect. Hey guys. Hi. Are you guys ready for pizza? Woo, woo, woo. Here you go, Mr. Mouse. That's a cheese pizza for you. And some nice orange juice for Mr. Mouse. And for you, Mrs. Bunny, we have the veggie pizza. Yummy! I'm so glad you like it, Miss Bunny. And here's your strawberry milk. And last but not least, for Elephant, we have the everything pizza. Yay! Yummy! It's good, isn't it? You didn't want to drink though, but that's okay. You have the everything pizza. Enjoy, guys. Bon appetit. Whoa, that was quick, guys. You guys devoured it. All right, now we're going to clean up. Let me just take everybody's plates and everybody's cups. Thank you. Perfect. Let's head on over. Oh, but before I forget, you guys owe me some money. So, Mr. Mouse, yours was $2.04, please. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4 coins. Thank you, Mr. Mouse. Miss Bunny, your veggie pizza was $5 and 1 coin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 coin. Thank you. And Mr. Elephant, your pizza was $3 and 3 coins. So that is 1, 2, $3 and 1, 2, 3 coins. Thank you. All right, guys, now I'm gonna head over and clean up. We have a lot of dishes to clean up today. Shall we sing our cleanup song? Perfect. Clean up, everybody everywhere. Clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. I got my soap and some sponge. Put some water on there to lather this up nice and bubbly. Clean up, clean up. Everybody everywhere. Clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. Clean up, clean up. Everybody everywhere. Clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. Clean up, clean up. Everybody everywhere. Clean up, clean up. Everybody do your share. All done. Hey friends, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that pizza. Until next time, bye!